these kids in their very young age, they already know, because that's what I taught them, how to find the verses, if it's the New Testament or the Old Testament. I teach them the things that it's not happening to me before. What's that? It's not happening. Charlie, will you come over to say things? That I know that you understand me, but I don't know the people if they can understand my words or my explanation. But anyway, so I taught them how to read, after I shared the gospel, they believe already. So in the process, I taught them how to find the Bible, how to find the verses, the books, and how many books in the Bible. So they know already that. So, and they already know how to find the books, and they already know which books in the Old Testament and which books in the New Testament. If I'm going to tell them, for example, the book of Hebrew, where is that, in the Old Testament or the New Testament? So they can, they already know that. So the things, they are very young age, so I'm getting jealous with them. I'm getting jealous.